Okay, so
What if we spell the names wrong?
your bell work was to do. What's that? Spell what names wrong?
Like the names of the angles.
Huh?
Like,
You lost.
Yeah, I'm not gonna spell any of them right.
Anyways, for 11 and 12, the slope equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Oh, I just realized what you were asking. It's multiple choice. The whole test is multiple choice. The practice test isn't because I needed to save paper.
oh, the whole test is multiple choice?
See.
Most definitely, yes.
Yes,
Oh, so
but
it's Spanish now.
pero the equaciones are not on the examen. I'm trying to recall my Espanol from Escuela de
I took Spanish one in
high
7th
school.
grade.
Wow.
I did.
You are so
Escuela.
cool.
I know.
Here's a double thumbs up.
Okay, hi Cassie. Glad you're with us. Glad you're with us today. Okay, our x1, y1, x2, y2. 0 minus 5 over 5 minus 0 gives us negative 5 over 5.
Wait, I wrote that wrong.
Negative 5 divided by 5 is negative 1, so our slope here is negative 1. The equation won't be on the board tomorrow, so you need to make sure to memorize this, but,
Memorize.
well, I mean, you should already know it,
You're joking.
technically.
Yeah, I don't know that.
Miss Ola.
Sorry, then get to know it.
Miss Ola finished.
Okay, number 12.
That's asleep.
He'll watch the recording later. Okay.
Fucking hybrid.
2 minus negative 4 over 1 minus negative 2. When you subtract a negative, add the opposite, so you get 6 over 3, which equals 2.
Do you have any seniors in your classes?
Yes, why?
Because like I want to have you next year, but like I don't. No, because you only teach geometry and what's it called?
It changes every year.
Oh really?
I was supposed to teach, they had me in Algebra 2, and then they had, because they had so many schedule changes, then they had me teaching pre-calc, and then, now, just
Do you
geometry.
know
and
those
whatnot.
things?
What's that? What I'm teaching?
No. Like if
Oh, the thing is,
pre-calc and algebra 2.
I mean, I know it, but like I haven't taught,
Are you
so
certified in this?
yes, I can,
You
I'm
are?
certified to teach up to Calc 2. But anytime you teach something for the first time,
No.
it doesn't come out all
So next year,
good.
what's after this class? Like geometry, then algebra 2? Yeah.
Algebra 2, or Algebra 2 or Math for College Readiness. 13. It gives you 3 points. It says which coordinate will make AB parallel to CD. The best way to do this is just to draw it out. Make your coordinate plane like this so that it will fit on it. And then I'm going to plot the points it gave me.
Does it matter which points I put it on there as? Oh no.
And then it tells us point C is at 310. So I got C here. It wants to know where D is. That would make it this parallel to AB. Well, if lines are parallel, they have the same slope. So to get from A to B, it's down 3 over 7, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 7. So down 3. Yes, Charlie, am I being too loud for your nap? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then point D would be right here. Yes. Nope, because we're in the middle of instruction. And you're intently learning. Okay. There's your parallel lines. It was asking where point D was, and it is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 7. And in the answer choices, that would be C. Another way to do this would be to just like try to sketch out a parallel line as best you could, and then go through the answer choices and find the one that makes the most sense. Obviously 0, 17, a point way up here, wouldn't make CD parallel to AB. If you had 7, 10, it would be like around here, and that wouldn't make it parallel to AB. And 10, 13, way up here. Nope, that can't be it either. Then next one. So we're gonna flip over the paper. Number 14
Oh.
is similar, but this time we're doing a perpendicular line. So for this graph, we can make it a little bit more centered. There's also a typo in the question. This should be 5, 2. So C, change it to 5, 2, and then it'll come out correctly. I need to check that on the test, make sure. Some of these questions are on the test as well. Point A is at -1, 4. B is at 2, -5, 1, 2. Draw a line through those points. We're told point C is at 5, 2. And we have to figure out where point D is to make this line perpendicular to AB. Well, first we're going to find the slope of AB. This is down 9 and over 3. So the slope of AB be -9 over 3, which would equal -3. The slope of a line perpendicular to that would be the negative reciprocal, so CD should have a slope of positive 1/3. So we flip this, make it the opposite sign to get 1/3. Then using that slope up 1 over 1, 2, 3, that point. Make sure I got a straight line. And there's the line perpendicular to AB. Now what we can do is go through the answer choices and see which point is on that line. So 1, 2, definitely not on that line. 2, 1, yep, it's right there. This is probably our answer. 5, -2, nope. And 6, 3, no. And that's how you do that. Those are the 4 hardest ones, just so you know. Okay, I'm gonna stop.